Just a couple of weeks ago, Apple had their Worldwide Developers Conference and they announced the new versions of all their software. Like on iOS, you'll soon be able to place your app icons anywhere on the home screen.
We truly live in an age of wonders.
Anywhere. At the end of the event, they announced something actually interesting, and it is their version of AI called Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence will be able to proofread and edit your text and rewrite it in multiple different ways as well as summarize it. All of this is happening almost anywhere you can write, and it works on device too. Rendering tools like Grammarly basically useless. Apple Intelligence can also summarize and grab the most important notifications and pin them to the top. This prioritization plus summarization feature is also available in the Mail app. Summarization is used for notifications and emails that are too long to show up in the space of text they have, so you don't have to always click on it to see the point of the message. Apple Intelligence will be introducing Apple Intelligence will be introducing their version of Dolly called
Image Playground.
In the Notes app, you can turn any sketch into a full-on picture, or maybe use their dedicated app of the same name to make a picture too. Apparently, they want you to be sending these pictures to your friends, but I don't really see that happening personally. Next, they also have a new image generation model called
Genmoji.
AI-generated emoji. Unlike many other user-generated emojis before, like Google Emoji's Kitchen, this one works inline and with any app that has rich text as long as the user is using the latest version of iOS, macOS, or whatever other Apple operating system. With no surprises here, their features are Apple product exclusive. But something that might shock you is that it's only available for their top-of-the-line devices. It's currently only available for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, as well as any device with the M series chip, except for the Apple Vision Pro for some reason. Although this is pretty lame, Apple claims they're actively trying to make Apple Intelligence work. They just say most devices don't have enough oomph to be able to run Apple Intelligence at a reasonable speed. So maybe in the future it could be available to more people. I'm pretty late to this subject as it did happen 2 weeks ago, and you probably knew all of this before watching this video, but if you did, here is something you probably didn't know. The tagline for Apple Intelligence is
AI for the rest of us.
and it is actually a reference to the ads of the first ever Mac, the Macintosh, and its tagline,
Macintosh, the computer for the rest of us.
pretty cool, right?